thought that was gonna be a furnace.
That's not the furnace. Wait, what is it?
Look, I got it.
Maybe it used to be. And it got changed into a pantry. What's that?
Linens.
This is linens? Oh, you're right. It's linens.
Full of like
Little
spaces
nooks.
that are just storage, but not like a furnace or anything. That we could,
Yeah.
One of these doors was like something. It's like,
Yeah.
no. It's just
Psych.
laundry.
Let's go find the furnace. Oh, there's an attic space right there. Look at the
Oh,
door.
is this like one of those things where you can...
Maybe it's in there. Maybe that's where the furnace is.
Nope.
No
Just
furnace.
Crawl space?
All right.
Gotta be a pin. Where's your furnace?
Downstairs, they're what they call the downstairs under the house, so.
Oh.